I refuse to plead guilty to something that I didn't do. I'm an innocent man. I want to go home. The girl's strung out on drugs. Try to help her get her kids back. The more I try to talk to her about responsibility and getting her kids back and getting a house.
John, put yourself on mute. Everyone can hear you.
The more I try to talk to her about responsibility and getting her kids back and getting a house.
John, put yourself on mute. Everyone can hear you.
To speak to, and he was going to come back and give me
I know originally you had given me a date of the 25th, but that was during Rusty Duncan. If you can, if I could have like one last plea deadline date, maybe after 4th of July, so that I can.
I understand what you're saying, Mr. Dawes, but here's where the court is at. He was given a plea deadline date on May 13th. I extended it. And I extended it to today, and he was supposed to speak to whomever he wanted to speak to, because this was previously set on June 14th. So he was going to speak to whomever he needed to speak to, and he was going to come back and give me an answer. What I'm being told is that the state offer has not changed.
The number of years, yes.
Yeah, so it sounds to me as though, Mr. Perez, could you unmute yourself, please?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So it sounds to me as Mr. Perez wants a jury trial, and the court will give him a jury trial.
I haven't seen all the discovery, Your Honor. That's what we've been trying to. I've had 2 days with Sean Kings, and I asked him, I try to, explain to him, like, I know it's hours of video, and he flat out told me, like, I can't sit here and.
No, here's the thing. Nope, let's stop this. Don't put anything on your defense attorney, because I put everything in my docketing statement.
He had to leave.
And no. Here's the thing. You told the court that on May 28th that you were going to hire an attorney.
I tried.
So, and then on May 13th, you refused to come out of your cell. So that's where we were. May 13th, you refused to come out of your cell. It was reset for May 28th. May 28th, you say you're going to hire an attorney. So here's the thing. Today is your plea deadline date. Mr. Dawes, if you want, I will recall this for Wednesday, but that is it.
This Wednesday, 2 days?
Yes. This case has been going on since March.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And honestly, well before March, because.
Thank you so much for your lenience. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your patience.
No.
I'm sorry.
This has been going on well before March, because the offense date is December 12th, 2020. And mind you, the court doesn't accept any of these allegations as true because I haven't received any evidence on these allegations. But what I'm saying is,
That's what I'm,
we will come
Your
back
Honor. I was trying to see the
on
discovery.
June
Because-
23rd.
John, stop.
We will come back on June 23rd, and on June 23rd, Mr. Dawes, that's the last plea deadline date the court is given. The court will not give any more. That means that you will be heading to the first available jury trial after June 23rd. Do you understand, Mr. Perez?
Yes, Your Honor.
So whomever you want to talk to, whomever your attorney wants you to talk to, then you can go forth and do that. But on June 23rd, that is the last day.
Thank you, Your
Can I
Honor.
address the court, Your Honor?
Your
John, I'd
attorney may
rather
not
you
wish
not-
for you to address me.
Yes,
No?
I'd rather you not. I'll come see you, okay?
All right.
Just,
All right, thank you.
all right. Thank you, Judge.
My
May I be
life we're
excused?
talking about.
Yes.
I was trying to get some understanding of,
Okay, I will explain everything to you, John. Please don't say anything more, okay?
Well,
Welcome.
Sean, just one moment. Let me let Mr. Perez know. Mr. Perez, from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
court's perspective, this is what you need to know.
yes,
June 23rd, either there will be a plea bargain agreement in some form, either it will be one that you've reached with the state, either it will be one that is open to the court. But on June 23rd, that will be the last day that the court will accept any plea bargain agreements. Do you understand?
clearly, Your Honor. I just want
All
to
right,
see the
thank
full
you.
discovery package, so I'm,
Thank you. Norman, can you let them know that number 12 can go back? Mr. Dawes, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Brenda, today is Monday. It's not Tuesday, it's not Wednesday, it's not Thursday, it's Monday. Reporting. Field visits. Random. And Norma, can you let them know that L3 can go back? And Mr. Acevedo, you can go to 1 if you want to go to 1, or either you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Perez. Sean Dawes, your client is here.
yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Great.
Good morning, Mr. Perez. It
It's a
seems that we have issues with you this morning.
I'm so sorry. No, you will not. You look very lovely, and it's a beautiful day out.
John,
That's good.
Now, here's the thing. What I can tell you is, with me, compliments get people nowhere, really. But I appreciate the compliments. Thank you so much.
Well, yeah, I was trying to start it off on a good note.
I mean, it is already on a good note, but here it is, Mr. Perez.
I'm already in the
The thing
doghouse.
is, no, the thing is, you need to start it on a good note when the deputies are bringing you down. Because I don't like to have reports saying, take Mr. Perez first because we've had some issues. So we're going to start things on a fresh note. I appreciate your good morning to me. And I'm going to take that as though it's meant in a good way. I'm going to send you to a breakout room with your attorney.
Thank you.
And you're going to come back here in this main room and you're going to let me know whether you're accepting the plea offer or not, because that is the last time that we or I will be hearing about a plea offer. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I address one thing?
No. We're starting off with a clean slate. And our
Okay.
clean slate
Okay,
is
thank
you're going
you.
to a breakout room to speak with your attorney. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. I'm going to send you to breakout room number 2.
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Everyone, just give me a moment.
Thank you, Your Honor, for letting me go to trial.
No, just 1 second. Don't interrupt. Stop doing that.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
All right, Mr. Dawes, what is happening with this case?
I'm sorry. It's my belief that he wants to go to trial. He
All right.
rejected
We're going to go on the record. All right, we're going to go on the record. Let me see. The court is calling 2021 CR 1784 and 2021 CR 1809, State of Texas versus John Perez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state?
David Martin.
For the defense?
Sean Keen Dawes.
Are you Mr. John Anthony Perez?
Yes, Your Honor. John Anthony Bettis.
We're proceeding by video. Any objections, state?
No objection.
Any objections, defense?
No objection.
All right, it's my understanding that the state has tendered an offer. Is that correct, Mr. Dawes?
Yes, Your Honor.
And my understanding is that Mr. Perez has rejected that offer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, Mr. Perez, are you requesting a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Defense, have you received all the evidence in this case and all the discovery?
I have not.
I am not asking you, are you an attorney? Are you representing yourself?
Your Honor,
Mr. Dawes, have you received all the evidence in this case?
there are some jail calls that I think we need.
All right, and are these jail calls that happened recently?
I would say recently, over the course of the last 7 months at least. It's what my client has indicated, conversations with the alleged victim.
So this is evidence that your client is stating that is out
Yeah.
there in the universe.
Yes,
And these are phone calls that your client would have received or made. Is that correct?
yes, Your Honor.
All right. So have you and the state had a chance to discuss the date of a jury trial?
We have not discussed a date yet.
All right, Norma, I'm going to need a date for jury trial for John Perez, please.
Judge, I can do the September 14th.
Mr. Martin, David Martin, is September 14th okay for you?
I'm gonna go back to my list. I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Mr. Dawes, is September 14th okay for you?
Yes, that's fine with me, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to come back on September 14th. Mr. Perez, you'll need to be dressed for trial. The court will not accept any agreements after today. If you decide to enter into a plea, it will have to be open to the court. So your jury trial will be September 14th, and you will be brought to the court and you will be dressed for trial. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
State?
Nothing else.
Can I request something, Your Honor?
Then the record will be closed. And we will see you for your jury trial on September 14th, Mr. Perez. Mr. Dawes, if you'll make sure he's dressed for trial, please.
Can I
I will,
request
Your Honor.
some time to see my discovery back? I've not seen it. I've not seen.
Norma, can you let them know when number 12 can go back, please?
Maybe excuse, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.